Hi, Kessie fam. Welcome back to another episode from Kessie's Cuisine. I am Kessie, and in this space, we make easy and amazing recipes that you absolutely love while having honest conversations around food, lifestyle, and everyday conversations. So if that is your vibe, don't go anywhere.
To be very honest, most of our mothers and our grandmothers grew up in a very different era. The things that we use in the kitchen right now that make our life a little more easier and cooking more fun were not even in existence at that time. That is why this conversation is interesting to have. Most of our mothers and our grandmothers did not grow up in an era where they had things in the kitchen to facilitate their cooking. There was no air fryer, no food processor, no electric blender, no stand mixer. There was no dishwasher. So naturally, doing things manually became very normal to them. They got used to grinding pepper with grinding stone, using mortar and pestle, cooking with firewood, waking up early mormor to tear wood and cook for hours in the heat. And over time, that lifestyle just became very normal for them. That is why till today, most mothers will confidently tell you that food cooked with firewood is sweeter, or that tomato blended with grinding stone tastes different. What do you guys think about that theory? Because for me, I don't still know, I'm still confused. And maybe they are not completely wrong, but sometimes you just sit and you're wondering, how does it really make sense? But you can literally grind tomato in 2 minutes right now in your kitchen without any stress. Technology has made cooking very easy for us and very used to it. In fact, convincing some parents to accept these changes is like a full-time job. One thing I really admire about African mothers is their level of endurance. These women could wake up before everybody in the house. They will prepare breakfast, they will clean, they will go to the market, they will come back again later in the day. They will still have energy to gist. In fact, they will still have energy to beat you. Meanwhile, this generation, we will cook one pot of soup and we will go and negotiate going to rest first before thinking about doing any other thing. But jokes aside, many of those women were genuinely strong, and I think that strength is part of why they became so comfortable with difficult kitchen chores. To them, hard work was normal, and you will even notice that many of our mothers move faster in traditional kitchen than modern kitchen. Like, if you give them air fryer and food processor now, they will become so confused, they'll become so frustrated. But if you give them grinding stone and pestle, more food is ready sharp without them even blinking or thinking. And honestly, I think that contrast is beautiful in its own way. It shows how different generations adapted differently to life. Personally, I cannot imagine having a perfectly good blender in my kitchen and still deceiving myself to grind pepper with grinding stone every single time for no reason. Somebody say, God forbid. Or having a perfectly working gas cooker, they're still choosing to go outside to arrange firewood, to blow smoke in my eye, to tear wood and stand under the sun for hours to cook. Somebody say, God forbid. And the funniest part is that many African mothers genuinely prefer it that way. They will confidently tell you, no. Take that your blender out of here. This your pounded yam inside machine, it is fake pounded yam, please. Some will even say it with so much confidence that you even start questioning yourself. But life today is very different. People are working long hours. Women now balance business, career, children, relationship, and personal stress. So naturally, this generation value convenience more. And honestly, I don't think that's bad. Using modern kitchen too does not suddenly remove the love from cooking. You can still cook amazing dishes without suffering first. And honestly, I believe many African mothers deserve easier lives than they have. And maybe this generation is finally trying to create that balance. So, I really want honesty in the comment section. What do you think? Do you prefer food cooked in the old-fashioned way? Or do you think many African parents are too attached to this traditional kitchen method? Do you also think food cooked with firewood is sweeter than food cooked with gas? And with that, guys, with that being said, we have come to the end of today's episode. If you enjoyed this conversation, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell so you never miss any episode from Kessie's Cuisine. Over here, we are not just making food, we are making real conversations around food, life, culture, and everyday living. And trust me, the next episode is even going to be so much interesting. So guys, while you enjoy this video, let me go and enjoy my plate of rice, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye, guys.